guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naomi. Today I will be trying out a new curly hair method called the top down curls method. It was created by Katie and her Instagram is at type_of_beautiful. Yeah, so she was the creator of this method, and you know, I want to try out new methods for curly hair as I am looking for different things that can help with curly hair. So pretty much what the pretty much what the top down curls method is supposed to do is help with overall curl definition, especially at the back of the hair. Let's just get straight into the video. So I'm going to be starting off with damp hair. I'm not dripping wet, so I'm pretty much going to start off with just damping a little bit of my hair because it did get a bit dry. I'm just using any like spray bottle and just fill it up with water, and I'm just gonna spritz my hair. In her video, in Katie's video, she said that you will need leave-in conditioner, which I don't have, and another thing you'll need is a like a curl cream, a curl defining cream. So the cream that I'll be using is the curl defining cream by John Frieda. Get down. Yeah. Also need is a mousse. This one's also by John Frieda, so it's in the same line. Thing you'll also need is a gel. So this gel is by Helena Professional, and I just found this at the warehouse here in New Zealand. Another thing you'll also need is a brush. So in her video she used a tangle teaser. It's just to like comb out any knots and help define curls. But in this video, well, for today, I will use my Denman brush because this is the only brush I have. And I love this brush anyways. I'm gonna start off by combing my hair and just get rid of any knots. I'm just gonna section it off in two parts right now. Now I'm gonna start off by just taking the front sections like this and making like a U shape. So just taking like the front sections of my hair. And what you want to do throughout this whole thing is make sure your hair is wet throughout the whole process, because that's the best way that products will nicely sit into the hair. So if you see me constantly having to spritz my hair, it's because my hair dries pretty quickly. And then what you want to do is comb the hair. So, and you want to comb the hair upwards and then curl at the end, and this is just going to get rid of any knots and also to make the hair part as smooth as possible. And this is really going to help when it comes to defining the curls. Get a hair tie and just tie it up the back. Do is now take the mousse and I'm gonna put a little bit clear, and now I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand, and then you want to grab the curl defining cream or your curl enhancing, just a curl cream, and then you're gonna put it at like the middle to the ends of the hair. After you've applied your cream on your hair, you want to scrunch, and you'll get best results out of scrunching if your hair is wet. So don't scrunch the hair when it's dry because it will just cause frizz. You want to grab your gel, and then you want to also scrunch, and you're just going to be scrunching again. If you're wanting a bit more shrinkage, then definitely like scrunch a bit more, but I don't want too much shrinkage, so I'm just going to be scrunching a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to comb from the bottom here, like twist the comb like this so that it can form the curls, and then I'll scrunch. I'm not sure if you can see, but like curls have formed. But yeah, you pretty much get the point. So this is supposed to form like really nice defined curls. As you guys can see, they are looking so defined. So now I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna section off and do like an L section here. And take this half. Ooh. I'm not gonna try to do it too straight because it doesn't really matter, and twist it just so that I can section it off apart like that. And then on this side I'm gonna be doing the same. I'm gonna take in a little bit too much on this side, and then twist to section it off, and then tie up the rest of the hair at the back. So what I'm gonna do is just speed up the video, or I'm just gonna skip this out, and I'm just going to pretty much do the whole same thing around pretty much all over my head. And then after I have finished styling, I'll come back and I'll show you what the curls overall look like after I've put products in. Lift my head back. Oh my gosh. I had to separate some of them because it was just one really huge clump. But yeah, other than that, it's looking pretty good. In the video it shows that I need to micro plot, but there isn't any excess water in my curls. It has enough moisture. So now I'm going on to diffusing. You normally do wash and go, then that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to now diffuse my hair, so I'll be right back. I can't really show on camera just because my diffuser doesn't reach. I'm just gonna quickly diffuse my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys how my curls are looking like. Okay guys, so this is the end results. You can tell the curls are definitely really defined, especially on the bottom sections of my hair. I've always struggled with like having like type 2 waves at these sections, but now they're like 3A curls, which is what I love, and it's like similar to the rest of my hair. Is something I am really happy about. The back of my hair, I can't really show you guys, but like the back of my hair I've noticed is really defined, especially at the bottoms as well. If you guys ever want to try this method, this curly hair method, here are some pros and cons to it. I'll talk about the pros first. So the pros is that it really helps with defining your curls. I mean, I literally just had, like I said, with these bottom parts, they were like type 2 and now they're like type 3, which is what I really love, and I have much more shrinkage, which is what I really love as well. Another pro I would have to say is it does help with volume. I mean, look at what I got on my head. To be honest, those are probably the only pros for me, just because it really did just really help with like defining curls, especially the back of my hair. Now going on with the cons, personally I feel like it's a bit of a time stretch, just because I wouldn't do sections in my hair. So normally I would just kind of put all the products in my hair and then use my diamond brush, and then that would pretty much be it, and I would still be able to get even curls all throughout my head. I guess I'm not really a section type of girl, so yeah, I guess this was a bit time wasting. I felt like I was using way more product than I anticipated. You can use as little products as you'd want, but I felt like when I'm doing just my original curly hair routine, I would only just put just a small amount like that, and I'll put it all throughout my hair, and then that would pretty much be it. Is when I would do sections with this method, I was putting like little pieces, little amounts of products, but it was like I probably wasted a bit more product with this method than I would in my normal curly hair routine. So yeah, that is a bit of a con. Another thing is, you know, when you're like brushing up, it really hurts your arms. I mean, like your arms get tired. I mean, the more work you put into your hair, the better results you get. So I mean, I'm not really complaining. As you can tell, the cons kind of weigh out the pros. I probably just wouldn't do the top down curls method if I was in a rush. Like if I knew I had to be somewhere on the day of my wash day, I would probably just stick to my own curly routine. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching if you have reached the end of this video. So yeah, please like this video, comment down below if you want to try this method or not, or if you have tried this method, what did you think about it? And also hit the subscribe button because you would really be helping me. Also follow me on Instagram at Naomi with 3 I's.Alba. I'll link it down in the description box because that's where I mostly post more of my curly hair stuff and fashion and all that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.